Hello, thought I'd just make a quick video on this Dreadlock machine, electric, instant Dreadlock machine that I picked up. That's the main unit there. It comes with 3 different attachments for different size dreadlocks. I think this is 10mm. Then you've got 8mm and 6mm. I think those were the designations. So they can be swapped over. Comes with the Allen key that you can use to release that, and a couple of spare screws just in case something goes missing. These pieces here, I think, really are just for helping you thread the hair through to get you started, and it comes with a few trinkets there that can be put, over a dreadlock if you want to sort of accessorize with that. These are all the parts. The power supply is a multi-volt option one with a little selector switch on the side. It's set to 12 volts, goes all the way up to 24. The instructions really say 12, 15 or 16 is what you should be working with, because it varies the speed and the intensity that it's working at. And I think going up to 24 will probably run this motor a little bit too hard. So yeah, it's set on 12, and I'll show you what that looks like. So the idea is that you'd work the hair through whatever size hole it is you're aiming to achieve, and then working from the scalp towards the end of that section is what you would do. But once you press this button, it's going to kick in, and you'll see some, well, it'll be very quick, but there's basically little crochet needles that come up and down through here. And when that's going, you're supposed to just work that up and down little sections of the hair until you see it starting to take effect. And it gives you, it's pretty good instructions actually. It's obviously translated from China, but they're pretty detailed instructions. It's a multi-page affair, and I had a good read through it. One of the things is, like you can see there's just a little bit of the needles poking up. So once you've finished, the dread that you're working on, in order to be able to thread hair through for the next one, you're going to need to release those. Sometimes it will just finish on the cycle where those are all the way down anyway, but if not, there's a little button here, they call it, but it's not really a button, that you can use to do that. Let me show you. I'm not working with a tripod here, so bear with me just 1 second. Okay, so yeah, you can see those are up. The instructions say to press it, but it doesn't press in. What you actually have to do, it's like a drop release kind of system. So you pull this down, that releases those needles back into the mechanism. See that luck at the draw, it's finished like that. Okay, well, we'll just drop that down anyway. Yeah, so that's about that. But it seems a pretty well made unit. It's very sturdy. It's quite impressive really. So I thought that was pretty cool. Just thought I'd show you that. It's from China. The electrical system over there, I found out, is pretty much the same as what we have over here, although I wasn't sure because, I don't know if you can tell, but the size of that plug, it's like a standard sort of iPhone one. I thought that plug is tiny. Would that even fit the UK socket? But it does. It's just a smaller sort of housing for the overall thing, really. So yeah, safe to run. All works. Just thought you might find this useful. I hope somebody finds this useful. Thanks.